G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 20th of the 4th, 2015, and it's 20 to 10 in the morning. Now, I'll put down the last of the bird feeder, and I'm about to hang the washing up and stuff like that. Then we got these ones coming out here. Got these beautiful red ones, if we can get a shot of one. I'll do that. Got these beautiful red, blue, sort of white ones I'd call that. You've got three of those, two are together and one's by itself. And we've got these two, which were here earlier. Got scared off a couple of crows before. There's the other one up here in the tree. There it is, and the other one's behind it. What's behind it? Yeah, it might have flown off. Look at that. Trying to get a better shot of the birds themselves. Like this one here looks a bit better. Get a side on view. Now I've got to go do my videos of the lake soon, but I'll just, as I'm hanging up the washing, I'll focus on the bird feeder. About halfway zoom. A couple of little pigeons on the ground. Oh, there we go. And that sort of surprised them. Normally they don't. Oh yeah, they are scared of pigeons, these ones. Wonder if they'll be aggressive enough to try to take it back from the pigeon. Don't think so. But anyway, I'll leave that there. And yeah, we'll leave it there and we'll go. I'll let them eat. Peace. Oh, they might have run away because I just moved then. Oh well, I'm going to hang it up washing anyway. Well, I'm going to let them feed because I want to go down the beach and make videos of the lake and also of the surf beach. Now I've got this little one here back. This is, what are they going to call it? It's a wattle type bird, I think they call it. It's got a yellow dot on either side of its neck. Oh, that's beautiful. These birds also catch the mozzies and that around us. Oh well. I'm going to head off. There's a little red one up in the trees there. Well, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.